Saving money sounds simple until real life shows up. Bills, groceries, gas, birthdays, holidays. And before you know it, another year goes by and saving still feels like something you'll start next year. What if saving money didn't require a big income, or extreme budgeting, or giving up everything you enjoy? In this video, I'm walking you through the 52-week money saving challenge, a realistic, step-by-step way to build savings slowly, consistently, and sustainably over 1 year. No gimmicks, no pressure, just progress. Let's break it down. Why most people struggle to save. Most people don't fail at saving money because they're irresponsible. They fail because saving feels overwhelming. We tell ourselves, I'll save when I make more. I'll save after the holidays. I'll save when things calm down. But things rarely calm down. That's why the 52-week challenge works. It removes pressure and replaces it with habit. What is the 52-week money saving challenge? The concept is simple. In week 1, you save $1. In week 2, $2. Week 3, $3. And you keep going until week 52 where you save $52. By the end of the year, you've saved $1,378. Not by doing something dramatic, but by doing something small consistently. Why this challenge actually works? This challenge works for 3 reasons. Reason number 1, it starts easy. Saving $1 doesn't hurt. Reason number 2, it builds confidence. Each week proves, I can do this. Reason number 3, it trains discipline. You're not just saving money, you're building a habit. By the time the amounts get bigger, you're already used to saving. Let's walk through the year. Let's talk about what this looks like in real life. Weeks 1 to 13. Months 1 to 3, small amounts. $1 to $13 per week. Total saved so far, $91. This phase is about momentum. Weeks 14 to 26. Months 4 to 6. $14 to $26 per week. Total saved halfway, $351. Now saving feels normal. Weeks 27 to 39. Months 7 to 9. $27 to $39 per week. Total saved, $741. You start noticing the difference. Weeks 40 to 52. Months 10 to 12. $40 to $52 per week. Final total, $1,378. This is where discipline pays off. What if the weekly amount feels too high? Let's be realistic. Not every week is equal. If saving $52 in 1 week feels impossible, that's okay. Here are options. Reverse the challenge, start with $52 when motivation is high. Save bi-weekly instead of weekly. Round down on tight weeks and catch up later. This is your challenge. It should fit your life, not stress it. Where should you put the money? Where you store your savings matters. Good options include separate savings account, envelope system, digital savings buckets. Important rule: do not mix this money with spending money. Out of sight helps it stay untouched. What should you use the money for? This money needs a purpose. Common goals: emergency fund, holiday expenses, debt payments, car repairs, peace of mind. When savings has a purpose, you're less likely to quit. Common mistakes that derail the challenge. Let's talk about what can sabotage this challenge. Trying to be perfect, quitting after 1 missed week, touching the money early, comparing yourself to others. Progress beats perfection, always. How this changes your money mindset. This challenge isn't really about $1,378. It's about proving to yourself that you can save, that you can follow through. That money doesn't control you, you control money. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start saving, this is it. $1, 1 week, 1 habit. Small steps create big change. If you're starting this challenge, comment below. I'm starting week 1. And if you want more realistic money challenges that actually work for real life, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and here's to saving smarter, not harder.